welcome to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel. My name is Demi Burns and I'm going to be showing you how I take my hair from looking like this to getting these big glamorous bouncy curls. All the products that I use in this video are available to purchase on the Look Fantastic website. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be alerted of more videos like this one. I'm going to be showing you the products that I use to create this look and also some of my secret weapons. So it's always best to start off with nice clean hair, and I'm going to be using this big sexy hair shampoo and conditioner. This shampoo and conditioner is designed to give your hair extra body. It has botanical extracts and vitamins that are going to help leave your hair looking a lot fuller and healthier. I'm also going to be using the Goldwell Rich Repair hair mask today as well. So I just start off with rinsing my hair to make sure that it's wet before I apply the shampoo. Then I just take the Big Sexy Hair Extra Volumizing shampoo and take about this amount onto my hand, and then I basically just start by rubbing this into the scalp, getting it all foamed up and putting it down to the ends of my hair. This shampoo foams up really well, and my hair felt so clean, so shiny, so healthy after using this. So once I've lathered it all up, I'm just going to rinse that off. So now I'm going to take the Big Sexy Hair conditioner and I'm just going to apply about this much. So I just apply that to the ends and the mid lengths of my hair. You don't want to put this too close to your roots or it's going to make your hair look greasy. The shampoo and conditioner that you use, I feel like, is really overlooked in a lot of people's hairstyling routines. I don't think people think that it makes that much difference to how your hair styles, but it really does. So now I'm going to use the Goldwell Rich Repair hair mask. So this is amazing. So this is going to help repair any hair that is dry, that needs some hydration, and I use this 1 to 2 times a week depending on the conditioner of my hair. This is designed to be left on for 60 seconds. So after that I just rinse it off again with water, and you can physically see how conditioned my hair actually looks. So I like to let my hair towel dry for as long as possible just to reduce the amount of heat that I do put on my hair. However, I do have some products that are going to help protect my hair from blow drying. I'm just going to brush through with a wet brush. Wet brushes are incredible. They don't pull on your hair. They got all of the knots out. They don't hurt. I used to use normal paddle brushes and these brushes changed my life. I absolutely love these so much. And then I'm going to use some of the Olaplex Bond Smoother. So this is designed to repair hair damage and also strengthen the hair structure. It is a leave-in treatment, and this is a professional product used by hairdressers everywhere. My hairdresser uses this on my hair and I absolutely love it. So you just run it through the ends and mid lengths of your hair. If you do suffer with any frizzy hair or dryness, this is also going to help with that in the styling, and then you just need to brush that through. So just taking that wet brush again and brushing that out. Then you're going to need to protect your hair from any heat. So I use the BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Primer. So this is going to protect your hair from any heat damage, whether that's going to be from using a hairdryer or any hair wands or straighteners. This is amazing. Again, this is a professional product. My hairdresser also uses this one as well, but you are able to purchase these on the Look Fantastic website. If it's good enough for my hairdresser, it is good enough for me, and this stuff works. So usually whilst I'm waiting for my hair to air dry, then I will do my makeup. It just gives me something to do whilst I'm waiting for it to dry. So as you can see, it's still damp, so I'm just going to brush through with the wet brush first, and then I am going to blow dry it. So what I do first is I just start to blast the hair. I just blast through it to try and get it as dry as possible, and I just have the nozzle pointing down. This is going to help it not be too frizzy, keep it nice and smooth. And then what I like to do is just section the hair off into 2 pieces, as you can see here, and I just clip that little bit up out of the way. Then I just take any blow dry brush with the bristles and smooth out my hair. Although we will be curling it, having smooth hair to start with really helps with avoiding frizziness in your hair, and it just also looks a lot smoother and a lot nicer. So just go through and smooth everything out. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just is, like I said, so that we've got a nice smooth base before we actually start curling the hair. Just running the blow dry brush from the root all the way down to the ends and making sure it's nice and smooth. As you can see, my hair is super shiny, really smooth. That is literally salon results from home. I cannot believe how smooth and shiny my hair looks from using these products. They are incredible. So now we're going to get on to curling. So I'm just going to separate my hair again with a clip the same way that I did last time into 2 sections. Then I like to take sections about this big. This may vary. You may like smaller curls, tighter curls, but for this video we're going for really big voluminous curls. And to do that we're going to use the Babyliss CurlStyler Luxe. This is a new one by Babyliss that is absolutely incredible. So this uses cool air technology to help curl and cool down your hair at the same time. This helps prevent heat damage, but also how long your style is going to last. And believe me, it works. I used to have to do pin curls to try and keep my style in, but now with this I don't need need to. So this is what it looks like. It sort of looks like straighteners but with a rounded edge to help curl, and I'm just going to show you how to use this. So I was never able to curl my hair with straighteners. I just never grasped the concept of it. So I'm going to explain it in a way that I actually was able to understand. So you're going to clamp your hair into the wand and do a 360 turn with the wand, so the tail of the hair ends up back in the same place. Then you're going to pinch the wand at the top just to help you pull this down and just slowly start gliding down. So make sure you're doing this slow enough so that the curl can heat up and cool down, not too fast but also not too slow. You don't want to leave it on for too long. Then when you get to the end, you just gently curl that under, and this is the kind of curl that leaves you with. It is absolutely stunning. So for the purpose of this look, I'm going to do my curls in different directions. So depending on whether you twist your wand clockwise or anti-clockwise, just depends on the direction of your curl. We don't want all the curls forming into one for this look. We want them opposite ways so it stays nice and curly. So I'm just going to show you that again. So once you've clamped the hair in, you're going to spin the wand around 360 degrees, and you're wanting the hair to be at the end like this, the way that it naturally falls. You're going to pinch at the top and gently start gliding your hair through the wand. This is really easy to use, really simple. It really doesn't take much practice. I found it really easy once I knew the technique to do. These are the types of curls that you're going to get. They're so easy to do. They literally take less than 10 seconds per one. So I'm just going to do the same around my head, and I alternate the direction of the curls. So if you turned your last curl away from your face, you're going to want it to go in the direction of heading to your face. I would recommend always doing the first curl away from your face as it's a lot more flattering. So I'll just show you again on this side. So I've clamped the hair and I'm just slowly gliding it down the piece of hair and then twisting at the bottom. So just repeat this around the head, doing the same technique. If you do find that you need to recurl a section because it's not gone curly enough, you can go back over it. You're not going to damage your hair, as the fans are already making sure that your hair doesn't get too hot to be damaged. So again, we're going to do the front sections away from the face as it's a lot more flattering, and you're just gliding it down. You can literally see how easy it has been to do these curls. So now I'm just going to take a little bit more of the top section down. I do like to leave a bit up so it doesn't get in the way, and just section that off the same way that we did the other ones. Depending on how much hair you have might depend on the size of the sections that you take, but I find that this size section of hair really creates a beautiful curl. So again, just spinning it round like before with the tail of the hair hanging out the bottom and then pulling it down. If you do find that there's a little bit of resistance when you are pulling it down, just give it a gentle tug and it will come down. For the back sections, you just want to pull these to the front of your head so you can see what you're doing and carry on the same way. These kind of curls just feel really glam. They last for ages. This wand is so easy to use. I'm really impressed with this. I am literally obsessed with this wand. It is so amazing, and you can see that the curls that it creates are very beautiful, and they take literally less than 10 seconds per curl to do. So just coming to the front of my head now and finishing off these curls. So these are the kind of curls that you're going to get from curling with the wand. If you do prefer these kind of curls, you can leave it like this, but for me, I really like big loose curls. So in order to do that, I literally just tip my head over, brush my fingers through, and this is the kind of style that you're gonna get. I love this style of curl. I think that it looks so flattering. Your hair looks so full, really healthy. And to keep those curls in place, I'm going to use the Joico hairspray. This hairspray is amazing. It smells incredible. Some hairsprays are really smelly and it doesn't leave your hair feeling sticky at all. It's really lightweight, but it really does help hold the curl. So I just spray that onto my curls to try and help them keep in place. Just a fine mist on your hair. Make sure that you're not holding it too close. You don't want too much product on. And now for my secret weapon. This is the Balmain Silk Perfume for hair. This is hair perfume. I cannot believe how incredible this is. It leaves your hair smelling absolutely amazing. You just take it and spray it onto your hair, and I am blown away by this product. So when you do your little hair flick, people are going to get an amazing scent from your hair. Like, people will be talking about how nice your hair smells. So this is the finished look. This is a before and after. Massive improvement, as you can tell. Hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial. All of the products used will be linked down below and available to purchase on the LOOKFANTASTIC website. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you did enjoy this video, and we hope to see you here again soon.